Could be a little windy tomorrow across the valley and kind of hot too as temperatures really warm up. We should be easily into the 80s. A lot of places though may break the 90-degree mark tomorrow with the gustiest winds over the lower parts of the valley in Cameron and Williston counties. Then the winds turn around on Wednesday. Instead of southeast tomorrow, they're more like northwest on Wednesday. And it will be cooler, but not a lot cooler. There's a cold front coming through, but even with that cold front, temperature's still above normal in the afternoon. It won't be tremendously cool. The next chance for rain really comes by the weekend. Looks like this weekend coming up could be a cloudy, kind of wet weekend across the valley with cooler temperatures. So tomorrow, a day when it's going to be warm. Highs back mostly around 90 or hotter in the upper valley, about 93 in Weslaco, 95 in Rio Grande City, and 91 in Harlingen. And current temperatures right now, 83 in McAllen, 80 in Weslaco, and 80 in Brownsville. 70s along the coast. And again, tomorrow is going to be maybe a day when we break some records again. So dew points are down right now. It is feeling pretty comfortable if you're out there. Dew points are down mostly in the 20s and 30s, meaning the air is very dry. If you're out going for a little walk or run maybe, you won't be sweating too much out there this afternoon, and it will be a somewhat cool, refreshing evening still. Temperatures falling from the 70s at 7 p.m. through the 60s. Eventually may reach the upper 50s in some areas late tonight. It'll be kind of a squeeze play going on between the temperatures dropping and also the southeasterly winds trying to bring back some warmer temperatures late tonight. So it may kind of bottom out in the upper 50s and lower 60s. Satellite radar across the valley shows dry weather, hardly a cloud anywhere nearby today, just a quiet day all around. And again, temperatures tomorrow, hottest in the upper valley, about 95 in Rio Grande City, 96 in Roma, and 94 in San Ysidro, at least above 90 over much of Hidalgo County, going for about 94 in Elsa, even 93 in Weslaco, and 80s to near 90 in much of the lower valley with 70s right along the coast. But the winds will be strongest tomorrow, mainly in the lower parts of the valley. In fact, if we check out the winds on Future Track, here's tomorrow morning, light winds from the southeast, but you see the winds get kind of gusty, kind of right from about 281 and I-69C eastward. Winds are forecast to be strongest, could be in that 30 to something plus mile per hour range with the gust factored in especially. So kind of gusty in the lower valley, less wind in the upper valley, and all the way through the afternoon. There's 3 p.m. still windy in the lower valley, but less wind in the upper valley. And then on Wednesday, the winds coming from the northwest, maybe not quite as strong, but with dry air and some breezy conditions. And we have to watch for at least some increased fire threat on Wednesday potentially. But tonight and into tomorrow, it looks very sunny. Look at the map on Future Track. Nothing but sunshine, but kind of hot and windy on Tuesday afternoon. So your first 1570 forecast, highs 93 tomorrow. Is it still winter? Still is, right? Behind the cold front on Wednesday, windy and cooler, but highs only around 78, and that's still above normal. Thursday looks like a very sunny day, not too much wind. Then Friday, the clouds thicken. If you're making weekend plans, it doesn't look like heavy rain, but there's a good chance you'll get wet. Showers are a good bet Saturday, Sunday, maybe Monday with lots of clouds and highs mostly in the 60s. We'll keep tracking the fronts ahead, though, coming up in your first 1-5 forecast. Carrie?